everybody, and welcome. I'm Candace with Teach, Learn, and Create with Candace. So I have my Pink and Main February subscription box. And so this right here, I'm just showing, I haven't put this together yet, but I'm working on some cards. But if you remember, I have posted my big mega haul, and I got some embellishment mousse. So I've been playing around. This is with the snowstorm embellishment mousse. So I'm loving it. So, but this is the February. So I got this stamp and die set, and I got the February kit. So they put it in one box. Now I did already take a look at it. I couldn't quite help myself. But so this is how the stamp and die set came. Oh, I didn't notice that. I did not even notice that. They included, okay, I think because I subscribed, they included a free stencil. I did not pay attention to that at all. But this month's stamp set is Hey Chickie. And I love how they have pink dies. So if you drop it, you can see it. And then each of these sentiments also have a coordinating die. But I love that. But I did not realize I got a stencil. That's going to be fun. Put that over there. Okay, so this is how their kits come. You're going to get this bag with your goodies inside. And then, okay, nothing else in here. But I love how they do it. I feel like I can reuse this. That's a good box. So I did get a free stamp set that was included in the kit. Okay, and this has Java Nice Day, Have You Been? Okay, now it doesn't have a coordinating die set. There's probably one on the site. I don't know. But you get, okay, so you're going to get some bezeled cardstock, and you get it in, let me see, do they have the names on here? I'm just trying to make sure these are the names. Okay, Aruba, that is a gorgeous blue. And their cardstock is textured cardstock. Then you have quartz, Hillary, Sea Capri, and Lemonade. Beautiful spring palette. And then you're also going to get 2 sheets of thick white. Okay. And I love the fact that it comes in this little bag, because then you can keep all your stuff together, and you can store other supplies in here once you're finished. So I love this bag. Okay, so it comes with some enamel dots. And this is the, so this collection is the Dragonfly Dream Collection. Look at that, that is gorgeous. Then you get a mix of sequins. And this is just a like a postcard that they put in there. And this is actually one of the stamp sentiments. Spread your wings and fly in the direction of your wildest dreams. Okay, and then this tells you what comes in your kit. And then the color palette for some inspiration. Okay, we're gonna look at this last. So these are envelope sealers. You're gonna get a stencil, an embossing folder. I like that embossing folder. This is called Daisies. And then your stamp and die set. Okay, really cute. I love the sentiments. Very inspirational. So it has things like, you were meant to soar. Thoughts of you fill my days with joy. I believe in you. Hello, just because. I miss your smile. Then it has a sorry for your loss. Wishing you well. Congratulations. Happy birthday. So this is great because it has all kinds of occasions in here that you can use this for. Okay. Then you're going to get your 6x6 paper pad, and it's 24 sheets. Okay. Is it double-sided? Yeah. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So these are some gorgeous, gorgeous colors here. Look at that yellow. That yellow is so yummy. I love that green. That green is a beautiful color, and it's coral. Okay, and then you get another set of those. Beautiful color palette and beautiful designs. Okay, so that is the... Okay, so the video cut out on me. So I did show you all of the papers. So I showed you everything that was in the February Pink and Main kit. So I'm excited about that. I had to delete some stuff off my my phone because I ran out of storage. So I want to go ahead and end this video. Thank you for joining me, and let you guys know I am having a blast with creating again, and working and discovering new companies. Well, they're not new, they're new to me. Companies and new to me products. So I am super excited for where this journey is taking me, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.